up, guys? It's Dana. Welcome back, and let's get into it. So, Bitcoin weekly, as I was saying yesterday, it's not looking good. We've seen better times, okay? We've seen strength. It's not looking good. Rejected again at moving average, long term, crucial. And it's weak. It's very weak. Even though we had a good volume, right now it's not looking good. There's nothing telling me there's any reversal coming yet. Nothing. So, you know where we still stand. We are still in a bear market in general. So, let's look at the Western indicators. What's going on? Weekly, pretty much the same. We still have bullish divergence on one of the oscillators. RSI is bearish, very. We might get back into lower territories. We'll see. Oh, I mean, it's only been 10 days in the month. But if the candle ends anything like this, it would be better than this. But we will see. Like, the month just started, right? So, yeah. Daily. Yeah, RSI is below neutral levels. I mean, it's still same. Like, there's not much that has changed since yesterday's live. We couldn't hold support around 20,250. I think it came to 20,276. It tried to go, but it failed. It failed horribly. Like, you see the weakness. So another support cut, obviously. Like, we're not surprised. There was hope when we were on these areas, and these areas, like, for the short relief rally to continue a little bit more. But then this happened, this dark cloud pattern, and then we have this shooting star. Like, then we broke 21,300, got rejected at that area too. Around 400 areas we got rejected, and we couldn't hold the around 20,250 levels. That's what I said yesterday, but it came all the way to it tried, but it couldn't. There was some indecision here, but bears are in control. So next levels, if we break this, like, we close 4 hourly or even an hourly below this orange line, around these areas. Next level I see on the like shorter time frames are as support. Shorter time frames around 19,300 or something like that. If we break that, like, yeah, it's gonna be back to critical levels, because there's nothing after this until these areas, which is, I don't know what we can call this, little support. Like, if we think about it, let me just, so when you guys look at this, do you see like this is barely support? Like, I don't even know, like, it is support, you know, technical analysis, but it is a weak one. Okay, so fine, we held, but what is holding us until this? What is there? It's gonna be like a terrible breakdown when this starts rolling over. So what happened to the bullish divergence we were looking at yesterday? It's still forming, nothing has changed. But you guys see that this was what I was talking about yesterday. We could easily go from pink to red. You see? I was explaining this in something else. This is what happened now. Because we failed to hold support. First support. Now we're heading towards the second, and then we'll see if, like, it's cutting through all supports. This is what I'm seeing. Nope, it's not looking good. It's not looking good. I mean, look at this. Let me take everything away. Or not everything. I do need the drawings. So, I think you guys that have been watching the stream since beginning, you've probably seen this line, maybe in another color. Now it's white, but you've seen this line. It's a very strong resistance point, very strong one, okay? But daily, even though it was looking good here, we did get a warning sign here, okay? And then we got another warning sign here. And then when we broke out of these levels, 21.3, something like that, like, that's it. Bearish engulfing candle, another bearish engulfing candle, like, let's see if these areas do not hold where we are. We can break easily, like, through 19.8, because there is some type of support there, but I see a stronger support around 19.3 in that case. So yeah, guys, Bitcoin not looking good. There's no point really in talking about the hourly and stuff right now, because this is more interesting. And the 4-hourly, of course. Okay, let's head to Ethereum, which has done what we said it could do a few days ago, which was say that's it around these areas and then just roll over. And that's what happened. Like here, looking at this pattern, I don't see anything really like, yeah, well, okay, this a little bit of indecision, but There was not much saying that it could go down until I noticed that we couldn't, close the daily above 1,238. We wicked up, yes, but we couldn't close above it, so it doesn't matter. Weekly still looking bad, nothing new. Bullish divergence is still forming, not valid, but still forming on one of the oscillators, but definitely not the RSI. Looks like we can go to lower territories, which wouldn't be shocking the way it's looking right now. Like, guys, it's not good. We're losing positive momentum on the MACD. RSI is curling over. Bad, real bad candle. I mean, we broke 1109, like, it's bad. Volume, well, it's building, but it might be coming. It might get worse. So let's look at the other indicators and what else we see. Tenkan-sen is below the Kijun-sen, which is also another bearish sign, but not on the daily. 4 hourly, yes, not on the daily. We got rejected at major levels right by the long-term moving average on the 4 hourly. I mean, it's not it's not looking good. Okay, next support I see is around $1,075. We break that. $1,038. I'm taking it level by level for you guys. 1,056 around these levels, okay? And we break that, like it's gonna be difficult, but first support around $1,074. But candlestick is not looking good. I have nothing good to say. There is no bullish divergence, okay? RSI is in like bearish territories. All right, short-term moving average is above midterm, sure. But doesn't mean anything when I look at this action. Doesn't mean, like, we have like new resistance right now on the 4 hourly, like short term, is around 1,142 areas, around these areas. Unless we break these areas, forget 1,168 and the rest, okay? 1,236, and it's bad. It's bad right now. I think it's just starting. I think we might see this continue a few days, if not weeks. Of course, there are always gonna be short relief rallies or rallies in general, but sorry guys, but we're still in a bear trend. Okay, next, Ave failed to hold support, guys. You see this? It broke out, it broke down, that's it. Okay, let's look at the daily. Let's dissect. We are losing positive momentum on the MACD. RSI is Well, well, we are below neutral again. We are around neutral territories, but we are below 50, so I don't like this bearish engulfing candle right now. I do not like it. Short-term moving average is curling up. Tenkan-sen is wait, this is the 12th hourly. Okay, this is correct. Tenkan-sen is above the Kijun-sen, which is bullish. Good thing, not bullish, but it's a good thing. It's a positive thing, okay? Because I don't want you, bullish is a strong word. I don't want you guys to mix it up, but it's a positive factor, okay? This we could say like this was a nice bullish engulfing candle, okay? This was a nice bullish engulfing candle, 100%. This was also an engulfing candle, but we like it's not like it's just a nice bull engulfing candle, but we've seen stronger, okay? Because let's see the difference. Let's see now. This one took us a bit higher. This one, not much. So we hit first targets or first supply zones. So supply is here. And 4 hourly is well, it's showing bullish divergence in one of the oscillators, but I don't know. Let's look at weekly real fast. Still forming bullish divergence here still. We are losing negative momentum, like it could always fail and next week could just continue being a strong negative momentum. But in general, if I may say so, technical analysis, well, if according to TA, this is not looking as bad as Bitcoins, for example. Really not yet at least. Of course, if we close this weekly with a bearish engulfing candle, that's out of the question. At least if we close below $66, it's not gonna be a good sign for it. So yeah, I mean, we are forming still some sort of higher high from this point to this point, but it could just do this. You see this? From the higher high and then. So we hit targets. Since we hit targets, what are the levels we can expect is the question, right? Okay. Just a minute. So if we close any daily sorry guys, if we close any daily below $64 to $65, just let's say between $62 to $64, more like $63, okay, we close the daily below it, we are probably gonna go lower because next levels are around these areas. $56 next support line. We do have some type of support around $66 too, but a stronger one around $62 to $63, okay? We break that 4-hourly even, we could see 56. Like, it's still, this is what you have to see. If you've been following the show daily, then you are not confused because we've been breaking it down. Now I can't like take everything up again, I mean repeat everything, because I always repeat things. So try to watch the streams, maybe you'll try to follow up, but we are kind of respecting this. As a matter of fact, right now I would like to draw this in another way. Let's do this. Okay. Okay. So this well, this does not make things look good for Aave, okay? This is short term for hourly, so we might come back and retest like 63 levels around these areas, 61, you see? Respecting, this is before we drew this line, so very, very much possible now. Very much possible, okay? So yeah, that's Aave. Let's see if support holds around these areas. What's going on with Bitcoin? Yeah, daily's almost over, yeah? Let's look at this one because it's about to do some interesting things. Let's see now. I mean, things have been looking horrible. Let's look at XRP real fast. We have what, like 5 minutes? We can do it in 5 minutes. It's possible. Okay, so, oh, oh, you remember the bullish thing I was talking about yesterday? Yeah, right now, if like the weekly ends anything like this or below this line, that's it, or anything below this line, okay? Anything below 0.32, forget about this bullish factor in the candlestick pattern because I told you guys what this is, okay? Remember, but it's failing. And remember, guys, some 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 bullish factors do not hold well in a bear market, so you always have to keep yourself updated. That's why you should, like, you know, maybe learn, like, put a bit more time into learning and maybe coming and watching the stream and understanding things and, just seeing seeing how TA works. So XRP right now, let's look at the Western indicators. Okay. Um, RSI is curling over. It's below neutral. Losing positive momentum on the MACD. Tenkan-sen below the Kijun-sen, another bearish factor. Nothing good on the daily. Like, we are losing positive momentum, so when the negative momentum starts building, this could just continue. There could be a good thing if we go lower, but MACD doesn't get below the past MACD. Then we could see some type of divergence. We will see, but I'm not betting for it right now because these candles are ugly. And yeah, weekly, not looking good right now. If we would have started any candle above this level and went up, but we will see. It's not over yet. Let's give it another 24 hours, right? Yeah, 4 hourly is not looking good either. RSI bearish territories. We have negative momentum on the MACD. Moving averages look bearish. Tenkan-sen, the Ichimoku is even more bearish. Tenkan-sen is look at it. It's this blue line, the Tenkan-sen, and it's just heading down I don't know. So support and resistance levels still haven't changed from what I said yesterday. If we break around these levels, we already broke, you see, 0.3244. I told you, if we break around 0.322, we go lower, which we did, okay? And now we're holding this support in a very weird way. So if we break 0.3, 0.31, we close the 4 hourly below it. Next level is all the way around these areas, 0.28, 0.2. Let me see. Yeah, around 0.28 levels, 0.25 also. Because I know I did it in another chart, but I haven't drawn it here yet. But we could see 0.25 easily. XRP. Okay, 1 minute left. Let's go back. So, a new daily candle is born. And we are still holding above 19.8 in some weird way. But this is not gonna last long, okay? We closed with a bearish engulfing candle, guys. Two strong ones. So, yeah, see you next around 19.3, I guess. If we break 19.780 around these levels, even on an hourly. See you around 19.3. We break 19.3. You guys see it's clear. I mean, we'll see if we hold here, but I'm not seeing this there's too too strong. The bears are too strong. They are in full control right now. Just look at the daily. They are in full control. Wow. It's critical areas. These are critical areas. We will see if we hold. I mean, let's see now. If we hold, like if in some miraculous way, which I do not think right now, but if the bullish divergence actually plays out, there is still a chance we could see like 21,600, like some time when we have another like relief rally, but we'll take level by level because this is true for now. It might not be true in a week. Like we'll see what the chart is gonna be telling us. But right now it's bad. We're gonna go lower. We are going lower. Like there's no denying that. Just imagine if we make a bearish engulfing candle on the weekly. Next week is gonna be bad. Like probably like if we do that, next week is not probably gonna look good. So this week is probably gonna be a bloody one by the looks of it. I know it's just been a day, but so far nothing. Like I said yesterday, there's nothing telling me like there's any reversal when I look at the weekly. Nothing. So we'll let it be. We can't force it. This is great for the bears though. People who took shorts or bought here and sold here. Nice job. Okay, let's have a look at Ethereum daily too. Same. We don't hold these levels, 1075 areas. Next support around 1057 areas. And next support is around 1011 areas, something like that. So we will see. But again, this is not looking good. TA is telling us we're probably going to continue down because we're losing positive momentum on Western indicators. Okay, it's not looking good in the Asian, like Japanese indicators. So, well, I could say Asian indicators too. So, Asian. So, same. Not looking good. Okay, let's have a look at Matic. What happened? Weekly was kind of looking okay yesterday. Well, hold me. It's still not looking bad. Weekly is still not looking so horrible. It still started. Let's give it 24 more hours, of course. But we've seen worse today. we kind of came back to 0 point. Look, my box starts around 0.5273 and it came all the way to 0.538. And I spoke about this before us even having this action. So we went down, TA got respected. This was shown in the shorts, just like I spoke about Bitcoin in the weekend update I made, like what I expected for the price within the weekend, and it got rejected. We couldn't hold 20,900 areas, and then we just broke. You see? So that was also a 1 minute video that you guys could have just watched for a minute and, you know, think about things. So back to Matic. Yeah, weekly was looking fine, but weekly just started. I said, let's give it time, right? But daily is not looking good. Yeah, daily is not looking good right now. So we might continue. We might come back and test these areas still all the way, like deeply. But then the question is, will we hold? Because anything else doesn't matter. Question is, are we gonna hold? Our main support level is gonna be around these areas next, like main around this orange box. So 0.43 levels, well, not exactly 0.3, around 0.35 to 0. Let's see now, 0.42, around these levels. Okay, if we break 0.5 and we close 4 hourly below it, yeah. Otherwise, let me take everything away for you guys, because I can see things, but I can imagine that it's too much for you guys. But just a minute, hide indicators. Okay, I could also remove this awesome short that we spoke about last time before it happened, like way around these areas, even before it got back up here. So this was one of those nice traits that work out, because like I told you, TAs tell you probabilities, but in a bear market you're safer. Well, you're not safer either way, but it's like much more the chances are higher that you actually win when you are shorting instead of not win. Well, it's better that you bet. Well, not bet. You know what? Forget it, because I don't want to say anything that encourages anything that you should not do if you do not, like are familiar with TA and stuff. Very familiar. So what I mean is, in a bear market, like you are really taking chances when you try to long areas, like these areas, just because things are going up, because chances are in a bear trend, what happens? Things go back down. Things respect resistance levels more than support levels. Just like Bitcoin is just cutting through every support level recently, these past days. We cut through 20,300. We cut through just a minute, not 20,300. First one was around well, first resistance got respected, of course, in a bear market. So We got rejected at around 22,500. Okay, then we broke 21,000 like 800 levels. Okay, then we broke 21,300 levels. Okay, you see, we are just cutting support like knife through butter, like. But when it comes to resistance, since we're in a bear market, yeah, they keep on taking over at these points. There's a lot of supply. Like I said last time, oversupply. Not only supply, there's still oversupply. Okay. So let's have a look at Cardano, ADA. Yeah, I've been saying it looks weak, it looks weak, it looks weak. Then this pattern was some sort of positive thing, but it's completely invalid now. It's completely invalid unless weekly, it looks invalid right now. So I shouldn't say completely, maybe it looks invalid, but unless weekly gets back above 0.46 levels and we close above it, nothing to say. Like, we are at critical levels. We don't hold this. See around 0.36 easily. Yeah, I see. I saw. There was there is bullish momentum on the MACD after a bullish divergence. A very nice one also, okay? A nice bullish divergence, okay? But this, the week just started. Like I said, this can easily turn into one of those little mini baby bars, pink bars. So let's give it time. Like, daily is not looking good for us to go like, yay. I told you guys there was bearish divergence on the daily. So, and we couldn't even break 0.49. Let's not get started with Cardano. We couldn't even break 0.49. So we'll keep it there. You know, the next support levels, resistance levels, obviously. Yeah, if like really, if we cannot hold 0.42, like short term, we're going lower. Long term, we're going lower. Not looking fresh. Let's see now. Let's see now. Let's have a look at Cardano Bitcoin. Let's see if there's anything that looks better here. Okay. Okay. Yeah. No. There's bearish divergence and candlesticks. We broke resistance. I mean, we broke support levels. So yeah, it's not looking good. It's not looking good. I mean, we hit our targets, as you guys can see, to the point. Supply zone got respected, as well as TA, but looks like we're getting back into the like major supply, not supply, major demand zone again. Not hide all, let's just hide indicators. It's not looking good. So yeah, it's looking better than Cardano USDT, yes. But in general, right now, it's not looking good either, okay? We have Bullish divergence forming on the daily Cardano Bitcoin. Let me just do one thing, just a minute. Okay, ready. So, not looking that bad. Like, short-term moving average is trying to curl up over the midterm right now, and this is daily, okay? And we do have bullish divergence as well forming, which is also good. So if we can maybe do this, yeah, we clearly can see that didn't play out well. We broke out of this trend we had and obviously got rejected, so we might have some sideways actions here. Like we are at support levels in Cardano against Bitcoin, okay? So it's not looking as bad as Cardano USDT. Daily is not looking as bad as Cardano USDT, okay? Have that in mind. Yeah, we broke out of this trend line. Let's see if we hold this support. If we don't, next support will be around, let's see now. $2,027 Satoshis, and we break that around 1,000. Like, let's say, not if we break that, it's just around 1,800 to 2,000 Satoshis, something like that, okay? So we will see what happens. Yeah, if we come back to these levels, like see around 1,838 Satoshis even, like it wouldn't be weird at all, guys. But compare this with Cardano USDT, like you can't say it's looking that bad. Okay, so that's Cardano. Let's have a look at what else? What else? Just a minute, guys. Okay, what else, guys? What else? What else? All right, I was looking at this coin that was going bananas today. This one, it's against Bitcoin, AirSwap, some type of shitcoin, I don't know. But sorry, some type of S coin. But we broke out of a crucial trend line. We had bullish divergence. No, you should not be buying at these levels. You do what you want. I'm not a financial advisor, but guys, like, you guys see we are overbought. So, but nice. It broke out nicely. I spoke about this in one of my streams, and so far I think we might just make just a minute. Let me see now. Asked. Because we are at resistance levels right now. Let's see what happens. But unless we break like 830 levels, I wouldn't be thinking of 1253 levels, okay? Weekly is still not overbought, but daily is clearly overbought. 4 hourly, same, like, wow. Hey, you touch this coin around these areas? Yeah, of course, it can always continue up, of course. But you didn't get in good prices, like, so this candlestick is looking good. Yes, candlesticks is looking good. I'm not gonna say anything because there is nothing bad to say. We broke out of this resistance, okay? We have a nice bullish engulfing candle. So yes, we could go up, but wouldn't you like, isn't it like better maybe waiting for 577, something like that? I would like wait for a little pullback of some sort, because why would you want to go in at overbought levels? No sense, no? Okay, guys. I just wanted to come and cover the Bitcoin thing. So yeah, like I said, we break 19.8, 19.9, like we close any hourly candle below 19.8, 93 is gonna come easy, okay? 19.1, like easily, 19.3 easily. Around these areas, of course. I'm not talking about to the dot. And it could fail, but that's what TA is telling us, okay? TAs have more probability failing when you're looking at bullish things in a bear market, but now we're talking about bearish things. Let me just change. There we go. Okay. What else? What else? By the way, guys, if you like the stream, do not forget to subscribe, like, and hit the bell to be notified in time before I go live. I haven't been saying it recently that much because I thought to myself, well, if they do like the streams, they are probably gonna like it to show the support themselves. So I don't want to be like, what do you call, like a pain, just repeating it. And you guys know how much I appreciate the likes. You guys know how much I appreciate the love and the support always. Thank you. So keep on smashing the likes if you like the content. That's how you support the stream and help other people in the community like find it easier. We did say gold was looking like a bit hopeful on the daily yesterday, right? Well, not anymore. Especially if we break 1729, even 4 hourly. That's yeah, since like I said, after the supply news that they found a lot of gold in Uganda, oversupply, guys. People sold. But it's still hanging on. It's still like trying to hold support in some way. But it was looking better before this candle, guys, so yeah. Okay, what's next? Like, we're not gonna be dissecting the market this time, because we kind of did yesterday. BAT USDT. Well, we don't hold 0.3530 on the daily. We break below it. Even 4 hourly, okay? We break this level. You guys can see it's been a nice support level before. If we break it, see around 0.28. Like, you remember, we do not hype in this stream. We are gonna serve it the way it is. And TA is serving it to us. It's telling us, like, be careful about most alts, Bitcoin, Ethereum, whatever it is you're looking at. Be very, very cautious. Very cautious. Things are looking horrible. But we've been saying it for what? The past few weeks. We called out the short rallies, relief rallies. I think I was pretty fast in doing so, and we called out the resistance levels, like way ahead, way ahead. So if you guys have been watching the stream, you already know this, so it's nothing shocking and stuff. What is sad, well, not sad, well, sad for the bulls when it comes to Bitcoin is how we can't break 22, what is it, 22, wait, just a minute, I can't see. 22,600 areas. The fact that we cannot break above this area, like, okay, forget that. Close a daily above 21,600. Just close a daily above it. It's so, it's sad for the bulls. The bears are probably rejoicing, but the bulls, not much. What happened to BNB BTC, the bomb chart that I was talking about, what, 3, 4, 5 weeks ago now? It's still looking good. Not looking, wait, I just saw the candlestick pattern. But let's get into, by the way, guys, Bitcoin was looking horrible, but let's get into BNB. Western indicators telling us there is no bearish divergence really, but we are at resistance levels. We are at resistance areas. Like I said, if we can't break 0.012 levels, we can't discuss the other levels that are waiting, okay? The minute we break that, I'm probably gonna I'm gonna try to remember to put an update, like a fast update about it. But until then, hold on, guys. But it's not looking bad. Like, look, we are above this mini resistance area before, so we are breaking out. Not mini, but one of the resistance areas. Okay, we are holding it as support right now. We don't have any bearish divergence. We still have positive momentum on the MACD. Our side is in bullish territories, okay, on the weekly and on the daily. There's no bullish divergence whatsoever, but we are losing positive momentum. Sorry, we are losing negative momentum on the MACD, but this could easily fail. You guys always know what I say. But it's forming, it's there, okay? And looking at the candlesticks, I like this. I like this action going on right now. Or maybe not much. Wait, hold on. No? Not much, no? Um, Uptrend, shooting star, indecision. We will see if we can hold above 0.011240 on the daily. But if we close a daily below 0.010928, we can come back and retest like these levels. And if we break that all the way back here, okay? But we are holding, but it's looking like it's losing breadth a little bit. So we could see a pullback to 0.010 levels around these areas, okay? We'll see what happens, but we have clear resistance around 0.011590, okay, on the daily. 4 hourly. Yeah, guys, it's not looking good. Like, just hold on. Looks like a bear flag, right? Yeah, looks like a bear flag. I don't trust this action right here. Yeah, you guys know the support and resistance levels. We will move on to the next thing, BNB USDT. So we came and touched like almost the short-term target, okay? That is from these areas. We have bearish divergence, which is bad, real bad. We have some sort of support around 206 levels. Yeah, 198 to 206, somewhere around these areas. Let's just say around 200 to $205, okay? We break that. Next is around 185, okay? And we break that, you see the next level, okay? Like, it's not looking... We just looked at BNB Bitcoin, right? This, okay? BNB Bitcoin, this. And then you look at BNB USDT, it's this. Which looks better to your eyes? Like, which one looks more appealing, okay? Maybe this one, right? So yeah, it's not looking, I mean, weekly. I really can't say the weekly was worse than Bitcoin's weekly. So looks more like Aves. Or was it XRP? Just a minute. No, it wasn't XRP. Definitely not XRP. I think it was Aave, yes. Yeah. Yeah, I think in 24 hours things are gonna be very clear for most of the like, yes, we might be going down, but let's 24 hours. I think we're gonna have a very clear picture. So if we can't hold 215, which is the closest support right now to this action, you know the other levels, okay? There are a lot of bearish like factors on BNB USDT. Okay, next. Let's look at the next one. Link is literally just respecting this. Let me just extend it. There you go. Okay, now it's extended, okay? It's respecting this old support, new resistance line, and it is below the hard line. Like, we are within a range, obviously. Okay, Western indicators. We don't have any bearish divergence, nothing like that. We are around neutral territories, but kind of bearish on the RSI. Wow. Yeah, weekly. Yeah, there is, well, we can't deny there is indecision after this downtrend, but nothing telling me of any reversal when I'm looking at this right now. Not yet, at least. Let's give it time. Daily screams we are just in a downtrend, nothing else. Still in a downtrend. We can even do this. Oh, okay. It's already drawn. Yeah, but I need a new line right here. So yeah, we do have 3 touches. So this is a valid valid line. Kind of broke out of it too. Let me just change. We got rejected many times. We broke out of it, but we could easily come back and retest these levels. Then let's see if any bounce happens, if anything like that happens, because so far it's just not looking good. So yeah, I think we are gonna see some more downside. So yeah, that's Link. Resistance here around 6.39 areas. Then we have another resistance around 7.32 areas. Like these are supply zones, obviously. Look, people taking profit again and again. Then it comes back down. And we can easily come back down just like here and here, back to these areas again. 5.47. If we break that, it's gonna be real ugly. So what's going on with Bitcoin? Really not looking good. Really not looking good. Let's see if 19.8 holds. Oh, by the way, guys, thanks for the subscribes. Um, some of you I'd like to thank and give, like, not some of you, all of you. I'd like to give a shout out to all of you. Thing is, some of you have I think I can't see your names when you subscribe. Like I can't see it's private or something. Maybe your settings in YouTube is like that. That's why I can't give you a shout out like live. But those of you that are not private and that I see, like I can give it to you live. But either way, thanks to all of you. I appreciate it a lot. I don't want I don't want you guys to think that I'm like just ignoring it. It's just that I can't see some of your names when you subscribe. I just see the numbers go up, nothing else. Okay, how long have we been live? 1 hour and 15 minutes. Shall we maybe have a 5-minute break? I'm gonna bring some more. I'm just gonna pour myself another cup of tea. And in 5 minutes we will continue. I think we've had a look at, let's see now. Bitcoin, right? Ethereum, XRP, Cardano, Aave, Matic. What else? Gold a little fast. BNB. What else have we had a look at? Link too, right? Link and what else? What else? Yeah, that's a bunch. Okay. When I come back, we can have a look at VeChain. What else? HBAR, VeChain. I'm just writing it down. HBAR and if there's anything else you guys want to have a look at, let me know. We can have a look at Shiba. And what else? What else? What else? Just a minute. GRT maybe. GRT. Okay, so when I come back, we will have a look at these and some more, or maybe not. We'll see. Usual tradition, on our breaks, we will have the Bitcoin chart on, 10-minute chart. And wow, I like this candle, but means nothing, literally nothing if we can't even get above 20,000 again. Like, close an hourly above it, something like that. So let's just cool down. We know we are in a bearish market. This is gonna drop either way, but always there are always some type of short relief rallies, because as you guys noticed in the streams, I cover long term. I cover, like, in the live streams at least, but not in the video that I made for the weekend update. That was literally for the weekend, so it's nothing you should like expect for now, but it was a short update for what I expected for the weekend. That's it. But on the live streams, we cover long term, short term, mid term, and then we even cover those very, very short term, like place, you see, technical analysis. So, you know, it's where people can take longs and shorts, you know, when I don't know what. I'm not telling you to take some. I'm just saying we cover it because that's what, you know, the TA is for. So yeah, we can come back to 19959, but easily get rejected. This is a 10-minute chart, so take this with a salt of grain, okay? Don't go like Dana said, let's go all in. I'm just saying, yeah, we can come back here and probably get rejected again. Okay, guys, 5 minutes, something like that. Wow, something like that, and I will be back. Get yourselves a drink maybe, or something, and see you soon. Let me just write stay tuned and we'll be okay. What's up, guys? I am back. Okay, so wow, like Bitcoin is looking horrible still. Okay, let's. Oh, thank you for the likes, guys. Thank you. I appreciate it. Let's get into VeChain. Whoa. Okay, VeChain did break out of a long, big wedge. This is on the weekly. We do have bullish divergence building, not complete yet, but it is building, okay? We do have some type of indecision going on after all this downtrend. Let's see what happens. Okay, daily is losing positive momentum on the MACD, okay? RSI is around bearish territories, more or less. I don't like the daily action going on. It is not good. Like if we break 0.02169, around these levels, if we get back to 0.01996, close the daily below it, not much holding us again until 0.011517, okay? Just a minute. VeChain. I'm just drawing some levels, so give me a second. Yeah, like we are below all critical levels. It is not looking good. We are right at support right now. Just a minute. Okay, drawing trend line. No. Horizontal ray, yes. Okay, music. Hmm. It was a while ago I looked at VeChain. Maybe some weeks ago. Some things have changed. So let's see now. Style. Let's see now. So next support areas are around 0.01696 levels, okay? Like we did hit our short-term supply zone, okay? From this point to this point, got respected, targets got hit, we are having a reversal, which is normal, okay? So yeah, that's it for VeChain. We break 0.02126 levels. Next areas is around these areas, okay? Support that I see around these areas, fine? And if we can get back above, let's see now, above 0.02337, close a daily 4-hourly above it, we can come back and test these areas. And when and if, okay? When and if we can close above 0.024, above these areas on 4-hourly or daily, okay? We can come back and test 0.025, 0.026, level by level, right? We break this. If we can break this, if we can close any daily or 4-hourly above this area right here, you guys can see it on this side, right? Okay, above 0.026 levels, okay? Next areas is around this light blue box or gray, I don't know what to call it, but you see it there. So that's VeChain, guys, okay? Let's have a look at H bar. Well, look, we got rejected, obviously. And we're gonna continue down a little bit, I guess. Let's look at weekly. We are still forming some sort of bullish divergence, okay? It's not complete yet. That's the thing. It's not complete yet, but it is there. It is forming. When it comes to this, it kind of like looks like bears are right now tired. They're just tired. Maybe they're taking a break or something. I don't know. But they look tired after this downtrend. When I look at this pattern here, okay, inverted hammer that failed completely. We got another engulfing candle after it. We do have some doji right now, but we will see. Hey Abby Mile, I hope I pronounced that right. Look at Ethereum. Yeah, we actually had a very good look at Ethereum earlier. If you go back and watch the stream, but I can have a look at it soon after this one. No problem. So yeah, let's look at the daily. We are at critical levels, guys, okay? Like, very critical levels. If we break 0.0549, but I'm the only watcher. I know, Abby Mail. Um, but it's not that. It's just that I'm looking at this one, so just give me a minute and we can get into it. Otherwise, you can just like go back, but I can look at it for you, okay? Just give me a minute, okay? Good. So that's V chain. We are losing positive momentum on the MACD. And RSI is in bearish territories for hourly, still below moving average, and we do have some sort of, not really, well, yes, let's see now. Some weird sort of bullish divergence is building, but yeah, guys, if we break 0.059, next support around 0.055 levels, and we'll see from there, okay? And these are resistance levels, of course. If we break out of this, we can easily see 0.07, 0.0746. So yeah, that's H bar. So let's have a look at Ethereum for Abimail. I'm pronouncing that right, right? I'm not sure. So Ethereum just broke out of critical levels again. Okay, so next level to have a look at is around, like, if we don't hold, we're out of 1107, okay? We couldn't hold. Fine. Now, if we do not hold $1077, like I said earlier, next levels, major levels that we should like have some type of support at is around 1057, okay? Look left, you see. I could just extend this, it makes things much easier. There you go. And if we break that, yeah, I mean, there's not much holding us until 1012 area, something like that. So Ethereum not looking healthy below 1166, like at least short term, okay? I wish I could say something else, but and if we look at the daily, we do have some type of bear flag. Let me pull up another Ethereum chart, USDT, or maybe I don't have to, I just have another one here. Okay, if I do this one's better, okay. Let me just do this and you will see something that could make you think. So what do you see here? If you're still watching, no problem, Abimail. Do you see this? It's kind of a bear flag. Okay, so we can easily come back and test, you know, these levels. Fine. So it's respecting it so far. We are ranging between it. Exactly, bear flag. So we are ranging here, so it's respecting it. But the moment this breaks, that's where the problem starts, okay? Then we're probably gonna go to like 1107 easily. And if we break that, we will be looking at 3-digit prices again. which people won't like. Well, at least the bulls won't like it, but bears can be happy. So yeah, that's Ethereum. But I would say we rally and not even touch the lower trend line. I guess we have seen so many red months that MMS are going to pump it. Well, I know what you mean. You mean like the market could be exhausted, should be an easy short from here, right? I don't think so. Well, I'm not a financial advisor, but if I would if I would short, like I would have shorted at least around these areas. Like right now, like at least wait and see if there is no strength here, okay? If I'd see there's no strength at these areas, maybe short term, short with a very tight stop loss, very tight stop loss, but otherwise shorting areas like getting out was better at these areas. Right now just hold on and see, I guess. That's what I would do. But look at this horrible wow. You see this volume? This is hourly. Like sell pressure is on. Like I've been saying, it's not just supply, it's oversupply. Like people are still selling in these areas. There's still fear in the market. I read recently that the founders of Three Arrow are hiding or something. So like I keep on hearing bad news after bad news, which is not good for the market, of course. There was really a lot of things I read earlier that just sounded bad. All right, there was a hack. Uniswap got hacked or something like that. Let me see. This was recently, maybe a few hours ago, I think. Let's see. It's just a speculation, really risky, but I would go long here and wait for a breakout of the previous resistance. Yeah, selling a lot. Well, if I'd go long here, like I'm just talking about what you're thinking. If I'd go long here, I'd really make sure I have a tight stop loss, okay? Because this is not, it's not screaming good right now. Look at the deal. We've had bearish, strong bearish, like engulfing candles, okay? There is no hint of any reversal on the daily right now. Weekly, like it just started, but so far not good. Yeah, you saw that with Uniswap. It's crazy. I mean, 4,000 and something Ethereum got hacked or something, and I think CZ is trying to get like to get something done about it. Yeah, a lot of FUD everywhere, but should be perfect to liquidate shorts. Yeah. Well, it is a possibility. This is the thing. I think the best thing I've learned in the market is you never know what's really gonna happen. You read TA and you try to see what the probability is telling you, like what are the chances higher for. But let's do something fun. Let's look at the rect market, okay? The rect chart. This is, let's see now. Liquidations. Let's look at Binance. Binance, yep. So far in 24 hours, I mean, it's not bad. I've seen worse. I've seen so much worse. This is not bad. So far, 8.6 million wrecked in shorts and 40 million, 40.6 to be exact, wrecked in longs. This is in 24 hours. Not bad. Ethereum, 2.6 million in longs wrecked. You see, Abimail? So you see what I mean? Like if I decide now, I'm not a financial advisor, you do what you like, but if I decide I'd go long at these areas, like where there is no hint of any reversal, nothing, there's no bullish divergence. RSI is in neutral territories. It is at oversold territories, okay, but still, when you look at this is my strength, the candlesticks. When I look at this, there's nothing telling me there's a reversal right now, like nothing at all. Unfortunately, nothing. Let's see if we hold like support levels at these areas, especially around the 1050, 1056 areas. Otherwise, we are in a bear market still. The only thing like I want to see is how this monthly is gonna close. If we close like with some type of indecision, okay, means like maybe bears are gonna be losing steam, like we will see. But if we buy high, sell low, please, please don't do that. Please do not do that. That's gonna not make you feel good. That's the number one rule. Thank you for bringing it up, Abimail. Buy high, sell low is the number one rule and the number one joke you will hear, because guys, if you guys do that, you should stop trading completely. Just completely, just stop with it, okay? Do not do anything. Just go find any other thing to do, but not trading. It's not for you, okay? So yeah, that's Ethereum. I like let's see how this monthly closes. If it closes anything like this, like compared to these, guys, now that I look at the monthly, guys, this is not good. What are we talking about? This is not good. Okay, anybody that knows this, do you guys know what this is? What this pattern is? I'm just gonna circle it. Oh Lord, I shouldn't have done that. I have a long opened at 1220, but I'm confident. I I I will have my fingers crossed for you, Abimail, that this will work out for you, but I don't know what to say. But I'll have my fingers crossed for you, okay? Because of course I don't want you guys to lose money. But that's a bold move, okay? That's a very bold move. I can say that much. But do you know what this pattern is? Anybody knows it? I'm gonna give you like a minute. Gosh, just a minute. No, it's not head and shoulder. Just a minute. Let's do this instead and remove this. Much clearer. Okay, so I'm just referring to this one right here, nothing else. This pattern right here. What could it be? And I'm gonna bring it up for you. Just a minute. Wow, I couldn't find. Just a minute, I'm trying to find a better picture. There we go. Zoom in. I'm not watching the chat right now because I'm trying to find the pattern for you with the picture in case you guys haven't seen it before. Let's see now, but I'm confident. Head and shoulders. 3 red soldiers. Lol, has to be. It's almost there. It's not called the 3 red soldiers. I think you're thinking of the 3 white soldiers, right? That is the bullish one. It's called the 3 white soldiers, okay? This is called the 3 black crows. Okay, are you with me, guys? This is called the 3 black crows. And here you go. Look at this. Do you see any resemblance? Now I'm looking at the chat. Now I'm with you guys. Do you see any resemblance now? 3 black crows. So we will see what happens. Like, what do we know? We know that TA doesn't always play out. Okay, number one. But it tells us probabilities, right? So right now, it's telling us probability is telling us this could very much continue, okay? So keep this in mind. This is pure education. 3 black crows, okay? And the other one that Abimail mentioned, 3 red soldiers. That was a nice one. You're almost right. You just, mixed it up. It's the 3 white soldiers, bullish. Then what we see is the opposite of this, okay? Where candles, open at the highs instead. And here, the 3 black crows, what do we see? The candles open at the close and they continue, you see? Okay? I hope I explained that well. CPI data gonna push this and liquidate my fellow bear. I mean, I hope so. Like, who doesn't want the market to be bullish except for the bears? Everybody wants a nice green market. Thing is, like, CPI might not save the TA. It might not, but we can always have hope. Some type of hopium, right? Lord, just a minute. Remove this. Okay. Yeah, CPI data is coming out tomorrow, right? I think it's tomorrow. I'm not sure. I think it's tomorrow. Guys, if you're enjoying the show, but first I want to say, by the way, thank you. Thank you for joining in and being active, keeping it alive, giving me some love and likes and support. I appreciate all of this. And if you like these contents, keep on subscribing, keep on smashing those likes, and hit the bell to be notified before I go live. I'm live like every day, at least that's the point. So yeah. So yeah, look, I'm gonna hold this. If Ethereum closes a monthly like this, I'm not gonna deny that it's much better than this. But if it closes like this and we see some kind of strength next month, fine. Because this action right here that we're seeing in the monthly, this can continue till September maybe or something. So things are not even close to being done yet. Okay? I mean, we can have a look at the yearly. Let's see now, 12 month. Wow, 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 guys. Pull back. Pull back, guy. Pull back. Sorry, pull back what? No, I'm not following right now. But this is looking horrible. Let's pray that Ethereum does not close the yearly like this. Cause wow, I just saw this. Yeah, BTC is retracing from the lows. Let's see. Well, it's holding critical levels, not really retracing. I mean, not really. I mean, no, it's not retracing. Like, if you ask me, no. I mean, we're not even above. Come on, let's give it some time. 10-minute chart is looking fine, but we're not even above 19953. Look, we got rejected. If you saw the stream a bit earlier, I did say like we're probably gonna get up here and then get smacked down, but we'll see. If we get back up, we're just gonna see another like mini bounce, but I don't see any retracement, nothing like that yet. Let's wait, cause there was this bullish divergence on the Bitcoin 4-hourly chart. It's still forming. I mean, it's still not dead. And now we have resistance around 20,423 on the 4-hourly. So yeah, 20,400 to 20,500, 600 even. But we have resistance around these areas if we were to get back up. And it's pretty strong resistance. Look left. Support here. I mean, resistance here, support here, and support here. And it could act as resistance again. I mean pullbacking. That's why I said pullback. Yeah, I got you now. Abby Mail. Yeah, so it's let's see. These are always nice for like these fast charts. Trades on the like 1-minute chart, for example. Let's see what could have given us any type of confirmation here that we could have a pullback in the 1-minute chart. So downtrend, indecision a little bit, holding support, bullish divergence at the same time, inverted hammer, and then this candle that took out all these candles. Okay, fine. And then we tried to come back down, but we held these levels as support. You see? So it was a nice 1-minute chart, I guess, but look at this ugly candle now. Look at this. What is this? We've spoken about this, guys. You guys know what this is? And look, uptrend, indecision, And you guys also know what this candle is like. Look, there's many things stating already it's already bearish now. And we have bearish divergence. And this is just the 1 minute chart, okay? Yeah, we literally got smacked down. Just, it's not even a pullback. Like, we can't even call it a pullback. It was just a retest, not even a retest. Like, it just, I don't know what to call it. It just flapped itself all the way back there, and then that's it again. Let's see, like, there's more strength in the 4-hourly, of course, which is gonna be closed in 2 hours. Yeah, but if we can't even get above, like, at least close 4-hourly above 20,000 areas, this is gonna be tough. This is gonna be very tough, okay? All right, enough Bitcoin. What else? Let's have a look at GRT. Hold on. Here it is. Okay. So GRT is still within this wedge. I mean, a very big wedge, if you guys can see it. Let me put on the weekly. It's still within it. We're still hovering around these resistance areas. Let's see if we can break it. Well, we do have resistance around 0.1267. And then again 0.15, 0.17 levels. So, okay, let's look at the, well, we have a nice bullish divergence playing out, which looks valid right now. But what do I always tell you guys? The week just started. Let's give it 24 more hours, okay? This could easily turn pink again and then heavily red. But for now, we do have bullish divergence on one of the oscillators, which is okay. I'm just one guy. You're killing me, Abby Mail. Yes, I know. But I know. Oh God, I know that. But you know, other people might be watching the show later, but I know you're just one guy. Where are you from? I mean, country-wise. Because here it's like 3:40 a.m. as in nighttime a.m. Ecuador. Ah, hola. I think that you say hola, right? I think it's Spanish in Ecuador, but I live in Germany. Oh, then you're close. Then you're close. Yep. You're close to me, so it's the same time here too. So you have this night humor on probably, or maybe you're just nervous about Ethereum. Sweden, we are live from Sweden, Abby Mail, all the way in Europe. I understand, but I understand that. I mean, where did you even go long? Just for the sake of it. You said it somewhere. You opened at 1,220. Literally, you literally opened at resistance. Wow. Wow, I really wish that you were watching the stream like already a few days ago, maybe even a week ago. But it's like it happens. Like this is what I say, like I'm not a financial advisor, but you maybe might think once or twice, you know, wow, you bought at resistance. I understand why you're nervous. Going to buy more. Wow. Okay. Well, you have to keep it alive, I guess. 1,220, but I wanted the breakout. I was expecting pullback to 1,182. Yeah, like I see what you meant with the pullback. The thing is, if you were looking at the chart all in all, even though it looked like, you know, because it was a nice bull trap. This is trap season, okay? It did look good here, like I understand, but this is an indecision candle at resistance levels, okay? So it's not the best sign to think it's gonna be going up. And then we got another resistance, you know, not resistance, indecision candle, okay? And then look where we opened. We opened at the lows of this one. So, like, it would have been like safer, like, of course, to long around these areas or maybe these areas even when you see like there's confirmation after a downtrend indecision, then a bullish engulfing candle, and you know, bullish divergence here and stuff, all that. Yeah, I know, I saw a bull flag forming and kept the long. Bull flag, bull flag where? In which time frame? Yeah, because I do not really see any bull flag. Do you mean, do you maybe mean this one? I actually went long at 897, but without leverage, and I was so sure about a breakout. But it's better than nothing. It's better than nothing, you know? Profit is profit. Pigs get slaughtered, unfortunately. Profit is a profit, so good. Fine. It's okay. I mean a descending triangle. Oh, okay, descending triangle. But you saw a descending triangle and kept the long. Now, what made you do that is my question. Yeah, but I'm getting started with the long. This is the problem, you see. I hope you have a tight stop loss. You see, if you do not have stop losses, like, do not trade, don't, because you're gonna get like wrecked one of these days. It's important with stop losses, simple. Like, if you'd go long around 1,220, let's say it was around these, it was, where was it? Okay, around these areas, right? I don't know when you went long, but if, for example, you went long here, around these areas, I'd have a stop loss around these areas, 1185. It's not even that tight, but it's like, it's okay. Because, why? Okay. Old resistance levels. If we can't hold that as support, we're probably gonna be breaking down. That's sad. That's sad, Abimail. That's very sad. Well, that's trading, it happens. It happens. You win some, you lose some. We can't, always be right. Like it's trading, so it happens. I hope you gain it back. I hope you bring it back. The most important thing is that you reserve your capital. You make sure that you do not in any day go all in, and you have a tight stop loss. Like risk management is the way to go. But it's another thing if you just like put like $100 or something. But I'm guessing whoever is watching put real money into this. So are you profitable? I don't know. You tell me. You can look at my TA and let me know. Like, one person cannot judge themselves, is what my friends tell me when I tell them, no, I'm not, that, like, I call myself okay, but I'd rather say let my, like, work speak for itself, let what I say speak for itself, let what I show speak for itself. And yeah, I'm with 14 Ethereum in. Wow, Abimail, I'm really having my fingers crossed for you, okay? Because I told you it's a bold move. But anyways, if you look at the videos, the streams, whatever, you guys can see for yourselves, like if I have more wins than losses when it comes to TA. Like I do not give out, I do not tell you what to do. I just serve the TA hot, and I try to ignite thoughts in you, and I tell you about key levels, which more than often have been respected. So it's better if you actually look at the videos, and if you guys have any feedback, I'm always, more than welcome to hear that. Like you guys are more than welcome. I appreciate it. So yeah, I wouldn't, it's my strength. Candlesticks and TA, it's something I love very much, because it just makes a lot of sense, okay? It's not always right, but it has a lot of sense. Like TA is, it's not magic. It's more like art and maths, but it's something I love. That's why I try to bring you what I love, traditional TA, and just hopefully like I affect somebody, like I have a positive effect in someone. So, what were we gonna look at except this? Yeah, Abimail, look, I'm like nervous for you. That's why I'm like looking at Ethereum again and again. But we had a look at Graph, right? We can have a look at Shiba. Okay, Shiba is still holding out. I don't know why. I don't know what's going on. I did say last time like it looked okay, but it's still holding out. Let's look at the daily. Weekly, by the way, we still have some type of bullish divergence forming, not complete. And daily, like this is some sort of IHS. You guys see it? I mean, it's okay. It's okay. We are holding short-term moving average. We do have some support around these areas. Let me draw it. So we are at support areas right now, okay? If, because moving average is holding, but if we break that one, like I said last time, we can go all the way to 0.000000, Lord, 988, okay? 988 dollars, okay? Because not much holding us until then. And if we break these levels from 0.00000988 to 953, somewhere around these areas, next support is around 856. But we got rejected again where? Major resistance areas, okay? Another supply zone. So, daily not looking the best. We are losing positive momentum on the MACD. RSI is neutral. There's no divergence or anything like that on the MACD, but we sure have one on the RSI. Like, definitely, yeah. There is hidden divergence on the RSI. But wait, is this another bear flag on the 4-hourly? Like, could it be? No, okay. What a shitcoin. Yep, very much S-coin. Oh, you made me swear. I'm sorry, I mean S-coin. Yes, very much S-coin. But guess what? People trade this too. Like they say, do not marry it, do not date it, just trade it. So yeah, Shiba, like everything else, not looking so damn good, but yeah, you know the support levels and resistance areas, and we are holding short-term moving average, but really doesn't mean anything. Don't you see an ascending triangle in BTC with support at 19.6K? Descending triangle, sorry, ascending triangle in BTC. Like, what time frame are you talking about? Tell me the time frame. Let me try to see if I can spot it out. What I've been seeing clearly is those darn bear flags. But which time frame do you mean? Yeah, I'm gonna be making a group soon, so you know, you and other people can, you know, share their thoughts and charts, and you know, we could exchange opinions and whatnot. I'm working on it though, because this has been a one girl show, so I'm gonna be working on it. Patience. But yeah, Abimail, let me know when you know which time frame you see this ascending triangle on. Okay, until then, we can maybe have a look at waves. Not looking good. I can't say there's anything good. Like, There is no divergence. Candlesticks not looking good either. So, if we break 4.77, see back at $4, around $4, and we break that, believe me or not, we are gonna see $2, okay? And this is waves. This is waves. Wasn't it at like $60, or am I like imagining things? Yes, sorry, it was at $60 in March, like a few months ago. Dead. Wave sucks. Well, when it comes to the fundamental parts, like, I'm not gonna say, like, let's be honest, most of the things suck, except for, you know, Bitcoin and some very, very, very few. But yeah, I'm not gonna disagree with you about that one. You're correct. The ascending triangle is in the 12-hour chart. Let's have a look. I mean, that would be nice if there is one. Let's see now. Okay. I'll just hide this for now. Clear chart, right? Hide this. Let's try to draw one, huh? This is the 12 hourly, okay? Okay, okay. Okay, Abimail. Okay, 3 touches, valid. Okay, nice. I don't consider it that strong because of those wicks, though. Would have been better if it would be touching the body, but nevertheless, it is some sort of ascending triangle. So you are right there. It is on the 12th hourly. Let's look at if there's anything else. This is the problem. We have to see if we hold still. It's still the same. Let's see if we hold these areas 19.3 or something, because right now even the 12 hourly chart, like, there's still strength. Bears are still in control. It's gonna be closing in 9 hours. We will see if we have any indecision candle instead in this close, but definitely yes, yeah, some sort of ascending triangle here for sure. So also been respecting like resistance, the horizontal line here, or the top of the ascending triangle. So yeah, it doesn't look bad, but let's see where this goes. And do you see there's some type of bullish divergence on the like 12 hourly? Do you see it? Not on the RSI, okay? Let's see if this holds. But right now we are kind of building some type of bullish divergence on the 12 hourly. But if we break 19, if we close on the 12 hourly below 19,000, this is invalid completely. So keep that in mind, okay? 19,600 should be support. Well, 19,800 should be a strong, like, support, more stronger than 19,600. But if that doesn't hold, I don't see 19,600 as strong support. Next support I see a bit stronger is around 9300. Before that, 96 is, I don't know. I mean, so far we are holding around 19.8. Do you see it here? So it's right at major support levels that we've been respected before, and resistance levels as well. So yeah, 19.6 really doesn't tell me much. It's just out there in the middle of nothing. So 19.8, yes, if it cuts through it again. Next is around 19.450, 19.300 areas. Yeah. Atom does not, well, yeah. Cosmos is, I guess, one of the better coins fundamentally. But watch out for more downside on Cosmos. It's not looking good, okay? So what happened? We got rejected again at major levels. Dark cloud pattern. Um, wow. Gravestone Doji. You name it. You name it. Like there are so many bearish things here, and confirmed when we broke below $8.88, something like that. $8.76 confirmed. We have bearish divergence forming on the daily, okay? Like we do have some type of support around $7.78, and if we break that, next is around 6.92. Somewhere around these areas, yeah, Cosmos. But there is bearish divergence, okay? So watch out, guys. Watch out, we can easily come back and test $7, $7.2, like, keep an eye. Cosmos is my long hold forever. I mean, yeah, Cosmos is, Cosmos, I see. Well, it's at least not Luna. Good job. Cosmos is okay, yeah. Long term, I mean, I'm the type, if you'd ask me, like, I'd go like, okay, like Bitcoin and this, but long term, Cosmos is not a bad thing, actually. Let's see if we can hold this trend line. Cosmos. Looks like it's kind of. Wow, okay, wait. Yeah, we are out of it. So yeah, probably more downside for Cosmos, okay? We could come back and test 8.68, but then that's it. Fib golden pocket in Ethereum. For your long sake, I do hope we see some type of strength, but I'm not gonna change what I said about Ethereum. Like, you found this ascending triangle on Bitcoin's 12 hourly, which probably means there is some type here too. Maybe we can look it up. Sorry, there is not. This, do you see this? It broke the trend line. Abby Mail, I do not know what to tell you, dude. Like, I'm so, I'm we can come back and test 1109, but then I don't know. Like, I don't know. That could be it, okay? That's 12 hourly, by the way. Look at it. Fib golden pocket in Ethereum. Let's see. Do you mean the daily or the 4 hourly now? I'm in my I'm in my young 30s. I want to see if we test and if we reject sell 4 hourly. Yeah, no, Abimail. I mean, not really. We're not even close. We're not close to the golden pocket. We're not nowhere close. Like, that's around 1030 areas, something like that. So, yeah, keep an eye. Keep an eye. Keep an eye, guys. Okay, guys, Abimail and everybody else that's joined the stream earlier. Thank you for watching. Thank you for the likes. Thank you for the love and the support. I appreciate it. I will be back live again tomorrow as usual. Watch out. So far, Bitcoin is holding support levels around 19.8. If we break that, we really do not have anything else holding us until these areas, okay? So, yeah, we will see. Oh, Abimail, are you a full-time trader? Well, we will get into more of these answers probably next time, but yes, I do like have like work and stuff and that and this, and I am a, let's call it like, because I do not want to disclose too many, private things, but this is my thing. Let's just say this is my thing, and you guys can maybe see from the way I read TA lol. But thank you for everything, guys. Thank you, Abimail. Nice having you here. I hope I'll see you next time. And I hope your long survives, okay? So guys, we are in a bear market. Bitcoin is holding support right now. We could see we can come back and test, 20,420. If we break above 20,000, otherwise, no. Yeah, that's it for me. Thank you for everything. And keep on subscribing and liking and hitting the bell to be notified in time before I go live next time. See you later, guys, and take care, okay? Bye-bye.